Go. Hey, we're live here at DockerCon, Austin, Texas, and I'm here with Arun Gupta and Fabi Nardon. How are you?
Very well.
Okay, so you guys gave a talk about containers and Java. So maybe just a little bit, you guys aren't new to Java, a little bit of a background. We'll start with Arun.
Yeah, I've spent a number of years at Sun, Oracle, so I've been a long-time Java advocate, and I'm a Java champion. So I've been talking about Java for almost 15, 20 years now.
Cool. And Fabi.
So I'm using Java for a long time. I don't remember when I started, but I'm involved since the beginning. I'm a Java champion also. I'm the founder, one of the founders of the largest Java user group in the world, so Java in Brazil. So I've been around Java for quite some time.
Cool. So Java containers, something maybe people don't know so much about the two going together. So what was the, Fabi, what was the overall message of your talk?
So the overall message was how you can use Docker in your Java applications. So they fit very well together, but there are a few tricks that you learn when you're doing, and that was basically the message you want to pass. How you can do memory management, how you can create an image for a Java application, how you can debug Java applications, how you do continuous integration. So several tricks that Java developers should know when they move to the Docker world.
Cool. And so Arun, what part of those tricks did you talk about?
So I think the role was very well split in the sense I started with, what is the base image that you want to use if you want to build a Java application? How do you run a multi-container application on multiple hosts? How do you scale your services? So those were the aspects that I talked about essentially. And Fabi kind of put in really nice perspective in terms of, because she's using it in production, and I talked about those production aspects of memory management, debugging, attachment to an IDE and all those things. So the best endorsement really was when somebody came to me afterwards and said, Arun, we are long-term Java developers, but we are starting new with Docker, and he pretty much touched on all of our pain points. So that's a good endorsement to me that I think we did something good.
Cool. And so who all, you both are Java champions, who's all working on this community-wise? There's a lot of people from big companies, a lot of people, individual developers.
Maybe you can answer that.
Yeah. Well, this morning was absolutely stunning announcement on the keynote where Oracle actually pushed their JRE, database, coherence, all of those classical projects, which are enterprise products, into Docker Store. This is how enterprise it can get. IBM has their Java images on Docker Hub. Azul Systems, they have certified Java images on Docker Hub. So one of the best ways to put it in that case is Docker enables these tools, enables these vendors, ISVs, ecosystem partners, and then get out of their way. And these are the guys who are then now pushing it. So when you start seeing IBM, Oracle, Microsoft containers, that is as enterprise as you can get. And then there is a full range of long-tail developers like me and Fabiani, who are community champions, who are passionate about this. So I think there's a full mix in that sense that I'm seeing here.
Cool. And Fabi, what type of people would you be working with to help implement this?
So basically with developers, our team is, we have DevOps in place, so everyone does infrastructure and also development. So it's basically Java developers. Some of them have more knowledge on the Linux side of stuff, so this helps a lot. But it's basically Java developers, long-time Java developers doing containers.
Cool. And so just to end with, and since I'm with you, Fabi, we'll start with you. Where do we see Java and containers going over the next year?
So I think that with microservices becoming more popular, it's a natural solution to use Docker to package your Java application. So what I see, for example, for JDK 9, they are doing some new implementations that are going to solve some problems that we have with Docker now. So I think that, especially with the announcement this morning, I think that Oracle is going to make Java more Docker friendly in the future. So I see that more and more applications are going to move to Docker, especially for doing integration tests. It's very solves several problems. So I think it's going to be a natural move, and I expect to see more Java applications going to containers.
And then, so Arun, what is the sort of direction you're most excited about, or you're hoping that the Java and container movement will go?
Well, two things specifically. One is Oracle getting behind this, pushing their images in Docker Store. That is super cool. That is super exciting. As an ex-Oracle employee and a current Java champion, I absolutely love the fact that there is full momentum behind this. It's not just like two people sitting, in a bar and pushing an image on a Docker Hub and then somebody else maintaining it. Oracle is behind it, so I'm super excited about that. That's one part. The second part is, as Fabi kind of hinted about it, there are issues on how you run containers with JDK. Their memory models are not synchronized, and a lot of people complain about out-of-memory errors when running Java applications in containers. With JDK 9 saying, hey, you know what, we're going to be C groups aware, we're going to respect your memory allocations. I think those are two things that are going to be really fundamental down at the bottom layer, which are going to help everything upstack. So you want to build microservices, you want to adapt containers, you want to be more friendly. Everything kind of goes from there.
Awesome. Arun, Fabi, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us here.